Hi everyone, I hope you had a nice weekend, or if you have the entire week off, I hope you're enjoying it. And again, my apologies for the lateness of this week's grading. Module 4 looked great. Please make any changes that I've indicated in comments if you need to do so. Going into week 5, you are going to be curating and creating. So for the activity, I think it's kind of a fun activity because you can use a social bookmarking tool, something like Symbaloo if you've never used Symbaloo, or Digo. I used to use Digo quite a bit, and I still do, because it integrates really nicely with a lot of different tools, and it allows me to save bookmarks very, very quickly. But I use that mostly with adult learners and to just provide a list of links. Symbaloo is much more visual, and that can be really a fun tool to work with as well. Or if you know of another social bookmarking tool that you would like to use, then just fly it by me, and I'm sure it's going to be fine. So you're going to do that and make sure that you have a minimum of 6 Web 2.0 tools. Make sure that at least 4 are multimedia, one of which is a screencasting tool, and some examples of sources for images and music and video. So just follow the directions. For the portfolio assignment itself, I've already gotten a couple questions about this. How are you going to develop a lesson plan that asks students to curate resources and create a video? Because some of you are working with preschoolers who might not even have the dexterity to be able to do some of this. What I would suggest to you is try to create a lesson plan for perhaps a student in kindergarten or first grade. Try to look at what perhaps could be. If you were to teach a course or teach a class to a slightly older set of students. Now that means that with your student sample, you're going to have to create a teacher-created student sample, but that's going to be my best word of advice to you. If you're working with students who are just developmentally not prepared to be able to do this kind of a thing. So just make sure, because there are a couple nuances to this particular lesson plan. You're asking students to pull the resources together and create the video on an educational subject. And as part of the description, you should create a sample video that either shows the students how to curate or how to create, because they in the lesson should ultimately be doing both. So when you describe it, they should be doing both, but you are going to create a video. So there's this other element where you're going to have to do a little bit more work, but it can be something as simple as a screencast saying, here's how you use Symbaloo, here's how you create a video, here's how you use Digo, whatever approach you want to take. Don't overthink it, don't overcomplicate it. But if you do have any questions in the meantime, obviously please reach out, and I hope you all are having a wonderful week and look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you. Bye.